Hey guys, it's Handy Darling DIY. If you have ever changed a deadbolt on your door, you know that you can rekey that. One reason I like Kwikset is because you can rekey it yourself. You don't need to call a locksmith or anything like that. So all you need is the key that came with it, so do not get rid of those. And you need the handy dandy little key tool, and then you need your your key that you've had that you want to change it to. So what you need to do is you will insert the key that came with the lock into the lock. You will turn it 90 degrees, okay? So then it is parallel to the floor. And then you're going to take your key tool, smart key tool. There's this tiny little hole right above it, and you're going to insert that in there. All the way like that. And while you, when you insert that in there, you're going to take it out. Let's see, make sure to get it all the way. Take it out. You're going to keep your key parallel. Just slide it right out the door. You're going to put your regular house key in there, just like that. And then what you want to do is make sure it's all the way in. Don't turn it until you make sure it's all the way in. But you will turn it 90 degrees, okay? So turn it all the way. I heard it click, and I'm turning it. And I have rekeyed my door. So that is all it takes. And then once you've turned it both ways, you can check to make sure. There we go. And you slide it out. So that's how you rekey your door. So make sure you use that little smart tool, and the Kwikset locks are great. So y'all have a great day.